Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by joining the night shift session and verifying your avatar spawned correctly. Once loaded, open the in-game map and UI to mark likely key spawn zones. This is where you spend most time. Make sure you equip flashlight and any lockpick or key detector before stepping outside the safe area, because finding keys requires fast visual sweeps and quick pickups. Move to the nearest restroom or kitchen spawn points first. These are high-probability spots. Then sweep shelves and counters methodically. You now implement a systematic search pattern so nothing is missed. Start a clockwise sweep of each room, scanning counters, under tables, inside bins, and behind curtains. Keys often hide in overlooked nooks. While searching, monitor camera feeds and chat for visual glints or teammate pings that indicate a find. Make sure to call out any discoveries and coordinate zone assignments with your team so duplication is avoided. If you have a detector item, use it while moving slowly near likely spawn clusters to increase detection chances. You finish by retrieving and securing the key quickly. Pick it up, then either lock doors or use it on the intended object right away to prevent loss. Make sure to store keys safely in your inventory or hand them to a teammate who's positioned to use them, and avoid unnecessary drops while moving. If a key seems to vanish, retrace your steps slowly, review nearby camera footage if available, and check for server lag or desync. Resolving connectivity issues often restores expected object behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.